Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. 3 series from year 1998 to year 2006, and you're trying to find the relay for the secondary air pump. We'll show you guys where it's located. Now we have one fuse that's hidden inside the glove box on that BMW for the secondary air pump. We have one fuse that's called a fuse relay for that pump, and you have an actual relay. So we have 3 components that you need to check. We have the video for the fuse in the glove box on the channel, but we're going to share today about the relay and the fuse relay and where to locate them. We guys have more than 200 videos on this car. Why? Because our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel for more videos and like the video. So let's show you where things are located now. So we have a 2005 BMW E46 here, guys, but doesn't matter if you have a 1999 or 2005, the procedure is the same. We're going to start with the fuse relay now and where it's located. Right here, when you open the hood, doesn't matter which engine you have one fuse cover. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws that we need to get loose with a Torx 25 star looking bit like this one here. And once you get them loose, guys, pull it out. I forgot to mention that all the tools and parts that we use you can find listed in the description of the video below. Now right here, guys, we have that fuse box. Okay, that fuse box right here. One of those fuses, guys, is for the secondary air pump relay. Now it's actually fuse number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, this right here. But how you guys remove that? You cannot just replace one fuse the way it sits there. You have to remove the whole fuse box, take it apart and remove the fuse, and we'll show you how to do that and how to test it. Now right here you have to spread that clip, pull up, and you remove the whole fuse box out of there. Now those are regular standard fuses that you can find listed in the description of the video below, and you can just open that cap. You have 2 teeth here, slide it out and replace them. We have a video how to do that. If you need help with that, guys, check it out, it's on the channel. But I'm not going to even open it. I'll just use a voltmeter now, and with that voltmeter, if I set it at continuity, I can test the fuse if it's good. And it's fuse number 4 from this side, or the second one from the clip. And if the fuse is good, guys, when we touch each of the ends with on the fuse, we should have a 0 on the screen here, and you see we have a 0. If it's a bad fuse, it will show like OL, like it's burned. So this is definitely good. I'll go ahead, place it in, make sure you push it, guys, okay, all the way in, because otherwise your car will not start, because you have the computer fuse there and all that stuff. Put your cover on, don't forget to get it tight. We'll show you where the relay now is located. I'll get mine tight later so I don't waste your time. The relay, guys, you will have to go ahead and remove your glove box. Okay, glove box will need to be removed. The video is on the channel, check it out. Okay, how to remove the glove box if you need help with that. It will be there on the channel, the whole video from start to finish. And once you guys remove it now, okay, you're going to notice that you have your BCM module here. You have a few relays as well, and the relay that we are looking at, it's that Salmon Relay. Okay, it's this one right there for the secondary air pump. That relay right there, guys, and you just grab it. Okay, let me see if I can pull it out. Okay, you grab it and pull it out, guys, like that. This is the relay. You can find the replacement relay listed in the description of the video below for more information. Check it out and see where we buy them from. So that's the relay for the secondary air pump. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.